Today we are ready again to understand how to solve our problems permanently. What is the problem and why we are having problem? Because we realize we are human being. We are mankind. Our race is manhood. Manhood does not mean male or femalehood. Mankind means a human being. When we realize we are human being, this is human body, this is the root cause of the problems. Now what is the ultimate reality? God has become all. God has become my existence. God has become your existence. God has become all creations. The moment we realize this, then we do not feel this illusionary knowledge that there is different genes. My DNA is different, your DNA is different. Then we will realize that internal structure or structural component are the same. Structural component of atom and molecules, thoughts and the plants, animals, human beings, all are the same. There is no difference at all. This realization is known as oneness with God. In this state, we do not realize that we are human beings. Then we realize we are children of God. And children of God is having all power as God. Then what is the power of God? To be able to do anything. We have to become master. We have to do anything, anytime. This is known as the most important point. Then what is the problem in our life? A realization of this truth that we are human beings. How to get rid of these problems? It is written in Bible. When a man is able to lift up the Son of Man, when we are able to lift up the Son of Man, then we will realize that I am He, not before that. What is the Son of Man? That is all we are human being. My father, mother was human being. I am human being. We are children of human being. We have to lift up our consciousness from this. We have to realize we are children of God. Then how to realize this? Then we have to enter into kingdom of God. Then how to enter into kingdom of God? Now this is next question. We have to get second birth. When we are born again, then we are able to enter into kingdom of God. What is the meaning of second birth? Born again. It does not mean we have to die and we have to become child again, newborn baby. To born again means you have to realize each and every moment I am newborn consciousness. Just before one moment, I was different. My whole perception was different. And present, I am different. After this moment, we will feel ourselves complete new as never before. This is called realization of virginness. When we are virgin, then we are able to see the kingdom of God, then how to enter into kingdom of God. The moment we realize each and every part of head to toes and our existence is as new as never before. It takes minimum 14 years. When we are fully aware 14 years that we have to concentrate on head to toes. Whatever we feel each and every moment, it is new. Constant 14 years practice will make us realize that we are virgin, then we will see kingdom of God, then we have to learn how to enter into that. When we are born of water and spirit, then we can enter into kingdom of God. What does it mean? Then many are having misinterpretation because amniotic fluid is like water. Then you have to become again in the womb, try to live in the amniotic fluid. Then when you are born, we are born out of water. That is the amniotic fluid around baby. This is not the interpretation. This is the false. Born out of water means you have to experience that your personality, my personality is like water. What is the personality of water? Water personality is very good. This is called universal solvent. Universal solvent means is able to dissolve everything within. This is called water's property. Then what is the meaning of water consciousness? When concentrate on head to toes more and more and realize head to toes what we feel, what is presence is called water-like consciousness. I have no any problem with any human being. There is no any difference in race, in the faith, in the sex practice. We all are one. When I am able to live with you without any complaint, when I can stay with you without any complaint, when we are staying together as one member of home without any stress, then we are born of water. This is not sufficient. We have to realize we are born of spirit, means we are children of God. How to realize this? When we concentrate on head to toes, feel each and every moment is a new perception. This is called virgin. Then we must realize this new perception is an omniscient consciousness, omnipotent consciousness, immortal consciousness, and is presence of everything. Then we are realizing we are born of spirit. Then we will have no problem. Before that, problem will exist. Then how to practice this? Very simple. Keep on concentrating on head to toes. Try to pay attention to each and every part of head to toes. Feel it more and more. Whatever we realize changes, have full awareness what we feel now. It is completely different than before. This is completely new. Hold this consciousness all the time and try to stay in this consciousness up to 14 years. Then we will realize that we are children of God. The moment we realize we are children of God, then our problems will be over. What is the conclusion? What is the cause of the problems? We are children of human being. We are human being. Because of this false knowledge, we are having all problems. And we have to get rid of from this problem. Now we are ready to practice.